Hi guys, welcome to day 7 of our plastic free challenge. And today's topic is moisturizers, using moisturizers on your skin, whether it be the face or your body. So again, you want to look for moisturizers that are in glass or tin as opposed to plastic. Now, for example, we do sell our moisturizer in a plastic, and the reason why we do this is because it has a pump up mechanism, so you don't put your fingers into the moisturizer. Now, the advantage of this one over other bottles that you can buy your moisturizers in is that you can refill this one. So once we've finished, you can actually open it, push down the mechanism, clean it out with some alcohol. Usually I use vodka for mine to clean out, and then I just refill. So I keep reusing the same jar over and over again, so it's not going in the bin every time I have completed using my product. We do offer a glass alternative or ceramic alternative as well, but you've just got to be aware you shouldn't be dipping your fingers into the moisturizer. So that's some angles, and you can buy a lot now of moisturizers that are in glass jars, so it's pretty easy to find a plastic free alternative when using a moisturizer. It's a little bit more problematic in your body lotions. Personally, I have a large glass pump bottle that I fill up my own lotion into it, but I make my own creams and lotions, so it's pretty easy for me to refill. So it's a question of looking for these items. Now also, again, as ever, look at your ingredients that are in. Moisturizers usually are filled with chemicals such as liquid silicone, which is harmful to the environment, and also fragrancing as well. So you want to make sure if it's fragrance that it's with pure essential oils, and make sure that it's natural ingredients that's good for you and your skin. So that is moisturizers for today. So I do hope you find this helpful, and I look forward to speaking to you tomorrow, and it's bye for now.